Hey guys, showing you this Quarco Android Auto wireless adapter. It's an upgraded 2024 fast convert wired Android Auto to wireless via USB. So it's a plug and play setup, and just open the box. So you can see, like, after opening, it's a really glassy and the metal surface here. That is pretty nice. And then the corners are very smooth. So really a good comfortable you know use. And the things is a USB here, so you can do put this USB. There is also adapter along with it from the USB to USB-C. So I'm just trying to put that in the car. So how this show up, and then my car have this USB. So the adapter is also on the side, as you can see. But my car uses USB, and the light is on. You can see here. So it start pairing. Once you paired it with your Android phone, you can just connect it wirelessly with your CarPlay. So you have to put the USB in a CarPlay socket.